All right, so we're boarding this game, right?
We can. I don't have my my board stuff, but that's okay because I don't know what I'd board against you anyway. We can totally board. Board it
No,
away.
so the board that I'm looking at are things that I'm thinking about changing about the deck anyway. So I think
So I'll rock mine regular. You rock yours boarded, and then as I
okay.
see a change, I'll shift it. That's fine. I still have my 5 proxies because they haven't come in the mail.
Yeah, yeah.
I got word that the library has just arrived in town. I don't know if it's getting delivered today or not.
That's exciting.
Pretty pumped there. Yeah, I guess there's a 60+ person wait for LobsterCon, so they sold out.
Oh,
Yeah, my buddy I was playing with last night met him through Neos, and he said, "Hey, I'll play some games." Super cool guy, and we're playing again tonight, which is cool.
anyone I
So,
know?
you may know him. One second, I'll think. I gotta find his last name.
Twiddle Vault, was it Nick?
Matt Cutbirth.
Okay.
He lives in New York. He has no chance of getting in. He goes, there's such a long line. I was like, seriously? I was like, they can't increase capacity. He goes, they're literally at capacity for the venue. I was like, wow.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So, it's crazy.
All right. Let's see how this works. Let's see how this works.
Space heater, because it's still freaking freezing. This is ridiculous. It's the end of April and it's colder than hell.
Yeah, my parents got snow on Easter, I think.
What are they in New Hampshire, Vermont?
Northern Maine.
That'll do it.
So. I think I'm gonna splash another color in this deck. Either
What are you
red
thinking?
or white. I don't know.
Red would give you. I mean, you get bolts.
Yeah. Red for bolts, white for like disenchants. Swords, yeah. Balance would be pretty fantastic.
Balance can be. Balance is extremely good card. I'm trying to get this set up. Why is this not? Stay. Just like that. Stay.
Stay.
Come on. Come on. Alright. Good. That looks like it's staying. Yeah, balance is really good. Balance. So last one of the ways I won a game, he had 7 cards in hand. I had 4 cards in hand, and he plays stasis in it. So it's brutal. So I was like, the only way I can win is if I somehow draw a mind twist. Well, I didn't, but I had balance in my hand. So I activated my factory. Swords to Plowshare the factory. Swords to Plowshare my Savannah Lion. What else did I do? I floated the rest of my mana. And I pulled out to like a super strong turn. I got him down to 1 card, and I had a counter spell with that. I had the blue mana. It was amazing. I was like, all right, I somehow pulled this off, out of nowhere. But that deck's tough. Let me tell you, that tough. If you don't have disenchant, you're dead. Just bottom line, disenchant is the only thing that you could do against Twiddle Vault. That's it. That thing resolves on the board. You don't address it immediately. You just can't win. Okay, let me move this off to the side.
Is Moogie's tonight? I think it is, isn't it?
I think they are doing it tonight, yeah. I think they are. Wish I lived a little bit closer. Alright. Shuffle this up a little bit. I don't know how far Moogie's is actually. I wouldn't mind doing that.
Middle on top.
All right. Same.
All right. Oh, evens or odds?
Evens.
8.
That's evens. All right, I'll play. Oh, I didn't get my library one game against them. Not 1 out of 15. Against you, I got it every game.
Yeah, I noticed.
And I got it again. Wow, okay. Incredible. I will keep.
I will also keep.
Library pass. That's what I get for complaining.
Right? Swamp. Dark Ritual. Soul Ring. Hymn to Torok.
Oh, that shuts me down. All right.
Uh, 5/6.
Swords and a side blast.
Sweet.
That's as good as it gets against your deck. Yikes. All right. And my turn. I'll draw. Play a Tundra. Time Walk.
Get.
Plains. Pass turn. That card is so good.
Ooh, Black Knight. Pass turn.
Yep. City of Ass. Pass turn.
Factory. Swing with a Knight.
Take 2, down to 18.
Black Knight.
I cannot take that one. I got to counterspell the night.
You got it.
I'll take 1.
Pass turn.
Cards in hand.
2.
Pass. I'm in some trouble.
Activate Factory and swing.
Yep. Take 4.
Pass turn.
Down to 13 already. That's not ideal. Okay. Pass turn.
Ooh, brutal. Cards in hand.
4.
Strip. What do you have? A Tundra.
Tundra, City of Brass, Plains, and Library of Alexandria.
Let's get rid of the Tundra.
Tundra down.
Activate. Swing.
Yep.
4.
Disenchant the Mishras.
You got it.
I will take 2.
Pass turn.
Cards in hand.
2.
Play a Mox. And pass turn. Him to Turak, so good.
Speak of the devil, and he'll. Oh, that's not what I thought it was. I'm playing in the dark. So, Haunting Wind.
Okay, Haunting Wind.
I thought it was a hymn.
I'm gonna have to take 1. We're gonna power sync it for 3.
Yeah, that does it. Swing, and then I'll pass turn.
Yep. Down to 8. Okay. You have 1 card in hand.
1 card in hand.
Soul Ring. Four lands. 1, 2. I'm gonna balance, but I'm gonna tap 1 blue to take 1. I'm gonna power sync it for 0 just to get rid of my hand. So go down to 0 cards, and you lose a land, and that Black Knight goes away.
Yeah.
And now we're I'm at 7 against against an aggro deck. All right, awesome.
Pass the turn.
Okay. We're gonna disenchant your Soul Ring and pass turn. Thing is, you don't really need much mana.
Urg Raiders. Pass turn.
It's better than my deck. You would think that this is good, but it's so not good. 6. Oh God. I think this is suicide, but it's dib.
You got
Pass
it.
turn.
Move to attack.
Block with the dib.
Got it. I'm going to Demonic Tutor.
It's good.
Cards in hand?
0. Middle's good. I think this one goes to you, almost guaranteed.
Pass the turn.
Go down to 5. Swing with the dib.
I'll take it. 3.
Savannah Lion.
Seems good.
That's so not good. I'm toast. Pass turn.
Let's see. Land for turn.
Yep.
Cards in hand.
0.
Underworld Dreams.
Yeah.
Pass the turn.
Yuck. All right, I go down to 3 when I draw from the dib and the 1. You got it.
All right.
Nicely played. Wow. That him. That him.
Oh, at the beginning?
That just is
Brutal.
brutal.
Even on the draw, it's hard to make up.
Well, I mean, you're literally, if I'm losing card advantage to your deck, which I should never do with this deck, I lose. I can't compete.
Right.
It's perfect. And I had a good start, other that aside. Just not. There we go. 1 second, let me try to fix this stupid webcam. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
There we go. All right. I will play. Oh yeah, so I was saying that Will-O-the-Wisp literally is just the nut in mono black. I think it was so hard to deal with.
Really?
Yeah.
It doesn't get around swords, though.
It does not go down to swords. I think you can. I think you could regenerate it.
I don't think. I think you
Maybe.
can't regenerate against swords. I'm pretty sure.
If so, then it's not the nuts. Maybe I just didn't draw swords, but it felt like it shut me down. I'll tell you if I draw one.
All right. A willow or a swords?
Swords. You know, I don't know. I'm reading it. I have it in hand, obviously. Target creature is removed from game entirely. Creature's controller gains. I don't know if it's.
Yeah,
so
I don't think I don't think you can regenerate through that.
Okay. In that case, never mind. Strip, pass.
Seems good. Swamp, Vice, pass.
You have no idea how good that's going to be against me. You have no idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pass. Oh.
Land. Him to Turok.
That's actually the best thing for me. All right. So 1, 6.
2, 3.
Disenchant Sarah Angel.
Seems great. Pass the turn.
Take 0 from the Vice. Okay. Black Lotus. White Sarah, pass.
Balls. All right, let's see. Swamp.
Hippie.
I'm sorry, Hippie?
Yep.
Pass.
Hippie's good. None from the Vice. We're going to Swords the Hippie. You go up to 22. I'm going to attack with the Sarah, bring you to 18. And we're going to strip a Swamp. And pass.
Swamp. Soul Ring. Haunting Wind.
And that does what again when you tap an artifact?
Yeah, whenever an artifact becomes tapped, you take 1 damage.
Okay. All right.
I will pass the turn.
No Vice. We'll come in with the Sarah. 4. 14. Oops, 1 second. I just hit a button. Savannah Lion. Pass turn.
Savannah Lion. Well, I'll take a point.
Singir Vampire.
Singir.
Yep. You go down to 13.
Yep. Pass the turn. 12.
12?
I think I'm at 12.
Oh, because the Haunting Winds hits you too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's each time an artifact in play. It doesn't say
All right.
opponent, unfortunately, which would be fantastic.
Cards in hand.
2.
Got a Swords the Sengir.
Oh, all right. I'll go
And then
up
I'm
4.
attack for 6. You'll go down to 10.
You got it.
Pass.
Cards in hand.
2.
Him to Torok.
Yep. Dib and a counterspell.
Take a point of damage.
Little.
Oh, pass a turn.
You just broke up.
Oh, I took a point of damage.
Okay.
Burn.
2. All right. Oh, and then 1 from the winds, right? So you go down to 8.
Oh, yeah. You're right.
All right. Just top deck the swords. That's
Amazing.
6. Bring it to 4 and pass.
Yeah, you got it, man.
3 swords. That'll do it. I have to pile shuffle this. I have not been drawing land at all.
I have. I can get one more game in. I have
Okay.
to go to my in-laws, so. But one more game should not be a problem.
I'll just shuffle in.
You sure?
Yeah, it's fine.
I mean, if you're a land screwed, I'd rather have
That's
the
all right.
pile shuffle now.
You know, I will really fast.
Yeah, go for it, man. For sure.
Just because 2 games in a row, I got no land 2 games in a row, which usually means clubbed somehow. I'm really hoping some of my tundras show up today. I'm sick of these proxies in here. Just little paper with names on it. Sucks. All right, so you won the first match, and I'm up 1 game in the second match, right?
Yep.
Yes. All right, so you're on the play.
Middle on top is fine. I mean, I
Same.
think we're both practicing to make our decks better, so.
That's it. I really have no idea though what the hell to do with a sideboard. I just bought a Tormod's Crypt, just one, because against Reanimator or some of these other decks. All right, you're on the play.
Yeah, I will play. Swamp, Dark Ritual, Black Vice, Black Knight.
That's pretty good.
Pass the turn.
Wow, that's about as good as the first start as you can get.
Just about.
Draw.
I'll never forget. I was playing a similar deck in a Mirage tournament, like when Mirage just came out. And I was playing this guy, and I was on the draw, and I ended up with 4 Dark Rituals, a
4
Singular
Dark
Vampire,
Rituals.
1 Swamp, and a Hippie, and I just dropped it, and he
Oh
conceded.
my god.
It was fantastic.
Yeah. What do you do against that? You really have nothing you can do. Let's see here. I am going to.
Is that Tundra?
That's Tundra.
Okay.
Cast a Lion. And take a point of burn, unfortunately. Have I taken any damage? Yeah, the Vice. Okay.
Yep, Black Vice.
Demonic Tutor.
Seems good.
2, you say. And I'll pass.
Factory. Dark Ritual.
All right.
Cards in hand.
3.
Is that you? That must be you. Discord?
Yeah. I usually shut it off.
I will pass the turn. No attacks.
No attacks. No attacks. Okay. Island. Gonna ancestral myself. 2, 3. Mox. So bad. Play another lion. Pass.
Pass turn.
All right. Mishras. Pass turn.
Hypnotic.
Resolves.
Pass turn.
End of turn, we're going to Swords of Hypnotic. Up to 22. Draw. Mishras. Okay. So Mishras is now in play. You have a 2/2 first striker. Which means I have blockers. Okay, so that's the smart play there. I will pass turn.
I'm gonna pass the turn. I need another camera set up.
Okay.
I'm gonna make that happen.
Three. Pass turn. Can you have 2 webcams? I noticed on your matches you had your picture plus the match going. How do you do that?
Yeah, I have 2 cameras. I need a third one set up for my hand. So I just use Streamlabs.
So gotcha.
So I do a screen capture of our match, and then a separate camera for my face. Not that anybody really wants to see me, but you know. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna pass.
All right. Savannah Lions.
A lot of lions.
I mean, it's a lot of lions. That's for sure. Okay. It is a lot of lions. I have to pass, though. Black Knight's just so good.
Cards in hand?
3.
Him?
Going to power sink it for 2.
You got it.
And at the end of your turn, 1, 2, 3, we're going to side blast the Black Knight. I'll take 2. Down to 14. All right. Tap 2. We're going to swing for 10.
You got it.
You're at 12. And play City of Brass. And pass.
Cards in hand.
1.
Let me just do some math here. I will pass the turn.
Black Lotus. Tap 1 to activate 1 factory. Swing with the team. Keeping 1 factory behind.
Well, Dark Ritual.
All right.
I'll use 1 to activate the factory. I'll use 2 to Terra Savannah Lions.
We're going to counterspell one of the Terror.
Okay. Factory will block factory.
All right.
And I will give it a Howl from Beyond for 1 and tap it to give it +1/+1.
I will tap this to give this +1/+1, and both factories will die. And you're down to 6. Okay. All right, and you have a great. I have no cards in hand, by the way. So
I have 2 cards in hand.
Yeah. And pass.
I'll drain life a Savannah Lion for 2.
Okay. You only get, since it has toughness 1, you get 1, I believe, correct?
I think so.
So you go up to 7. Which keeps you alive for a turn.
It does. I will pass the turn.
Unless I top deck a Mistress Factory?
Factory or even a Black Knight would work.
That is not a factory. But I
thought you were talking about me.
Oh, no. Me, factory. I will come in for 6, put you at 1. And pass.
There's nothing that's going to save me.
Pestilence. No, Pestilence doesn't even do it, actually.
Yeah, you got it, man.
Factory.
I just drew him, so I had Underworld Dragons.
Disenchant. Oh, yeah.
I sat too long on the Haunting Winds, and I I should have played a long time ago.
I wasn't sure. So that's the thing. I had the Side Blast in my hand early. I was like, do I go on the aggressive? But I don't have to as the blue player. I can sit back. So I was like, all right, let me sit back a little bit. I don't know if it was the right play or the wrong play, but
I think these were definitely better matches for me.
yeah, you smoked me the first two. I got even the second two, so we're 50-50. I'd say it's going pretty well.
Yeah. All right, you around later on, maybe today or tomorrow?
Yeah. Yeah, give me a call. Yeah, shoot me a message over. We can absolutely do it.
Okay,
Very
man.
cool.
All right.
All right, brother. Have a
Thanks
good
for
one.
the games. I'll talk to you later.
Bye.